Czech cafe. What? Czech coffee?
Oh, check lang. Gusto mo na namin?
Czech coffee? So
Ano
cute
yan?
here.
Ano?
It's my first time coming in here.
Tita Barla loving life. Yes, welcome to my vlog. Please subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. See ya! Tita Barla at ang bago niyang buhay. Bagong ticket.
Hello again everyone. Today is February 9. This is Tita Barla again and welcome to my channel. Today is February 9, Sunday. After namin nagsimba, gala-gala, and we're here in Czech Coffee for our chilling lang for lunch, light lunch. Parang matagal na rin kaming hindi nakabalik dito at itong lugar na to na-renovate na, naganda na siya kumbaga. Hindi to ganito dati. Itong area lang ha ng pag-o-orderan kasi yung nasa labas parang okay na yon. As always, ang order namin dito na pinaka nagustuhan namin is yung pancit lumi na good for sharing na yun, malaking na yun bowl, tsaka yung lumpia, Shanghai, at tsaka yung barkadahan bread. Ayan, dala-dala pa rin namin yung aming pamangkin at ito yung first time niyang nakapunta dito. So, i-check natin yung place for you and for my pamangkin.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Hi guys! We're here at Czech cafe. What? Czech coffee?
Oh, check lang. Gusto mo na namin?
Czech coffee? So
Ano
cute
yan?
here
Ano?
in Aloran. So cute here. It's my first time coming in here. Pero mo na daw ni balay ni ng lola pero di ko kuyugon nila.
Hadlo ka.
Pimpo.
The moonlight, the summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. city
Naunang dineliver itong barkadahan sandwich na 3 dangkal. So ito na yung barkadahan sandwich na 3 dangkal. So sulit na yun at a price of 150 pesos.
and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.
I'm done. Thank you.
Wow! Lula, wait!
Lola, wait ko na Lola. Picture na niya Lola.
Thank you for watching everyone, sa lahat-lahat ng nanonood, sa silent viewers, sa organic viewers, sa mga commenters. Thank you so much, and see you in my next vlog, and please subscribe. Tita Barla, goodbye.